So, we talk about tropical storms, tropical depressions, hurricanes, and a lot of times you're telling people, get off the beach, get away, this is a different sort of circumstance, or so it appears.
So it appears. The image that we saw there off of Alabama. So that area is actually not going to see a direct impact.
Okay.
What they're seeing right now is the worst it's going to get there.
Got it. Okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense then.
And with this system, Kara, it's really interesting because the bulk of the rain, we saw it in New Orleans, it doesn't look like it's raining.
No.
A bulk of the rain is off of the coast and will stay over open water.
Okay.
So this is not a big rainmaker for the Gulf Coast. But this is the latest. This is where you can see the rain. It's really off of the coast, and you can see some showers kind of streaming in there, Mississippi, Alabama. But as of the latest update this morning, still considered a tropical storm. Bertha has about 50-mile-per-hour sustained winds with gusts of 65. It's still 40 miles to the south of the Mississippi. So what we're watching here is the center of circulation, but the bulk of the rainfall is just to the south. And we're going to see this continue its westward track. When that happens, it'll make landfall. This will happen in the next hour or two. I just checked in with the National Hurricane Center. We have not seen landfall just yet, but again, it can happen at any minute at this point. Tropical storm warnings are in place from the Florida coastline, Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana. And this is because winds are expected to be over 40 miles per hour in this particular area. This is not something that's going to be a big widespread wind event either. And look at how it hugs the coastline here through this afternoon and evening. And as it makes its way into Houston, still could have 39, 40 mile per hour wind speeds, eventually considered a tropical low by the time it makes it into central Texas. But here's the thing, the rain potential is just not that high. It's about 1 to 2 inches along the coastline. What we'll most likely see out of this is the potential for some heavy rain in some spots, especially off of the coastline, maybe some high surf, which is what we saw in that Alabama webcam. And what we're also looking at are some winds that could cause some power outages. The heat is on for Texas and Louisiana. The widespread heat with the potential of power outages will be the most dangerous part of this tropical system.